Hi everyone, I am Anushka Rathi and today I am going to introduce you to a book that is not just academic but directly connected to the reality of Indian agriculture. Textbook of Rain-Fed Agriculture and Watershed Management by Professor P.L. Maliwal and published by Scientific Publishers. This book is exactly designed as per the ICAR syllabus and is an essential guide for undergraduate agriculture students, researchers, and anyone who is passionate about sustainable farming. The author begins with an important reminder. Over 65% of India's arable land is rain-fed. Our farmers constantly deal with uncertain monsoons, droughts, and even crop failure. This makes rain-fed agriculture the backbone of food and fodder production in the country. Professor Maliwal has compiled this book to simplify complex concepts into a clear, syllabus-based format so students can easily understand and apply these fundamentals. The first chapter sets the stage with the significance of rain-fed farming in India. Did you know nearly 70% of the rural populations live in the dryland regions? This chapter explains why rain-fed agriculture not only supports crops but also livestock and rural livelihoods. In chapter 2, we explore the soil and climate conditions of drought-prone regions. From shallow soils to nutrient limitations, this chapter highlights why soil and water conservation is essential. Chapter 3 focuses on drought, its causes, types, and impacts on agriculture. Droughts are temporary but devastating, leading to crop loss, fodder shortage, and food insecurity. This chapter helps students understand how meteorological anomalies translate into agricultural crises. Chapter 4 introduces practical soil and water conservation techniques like contour bunding, terraces, and vegetative barriers. These methods reduce runoff, prevent erosion, and conserve precious rainwater. It's about making the best use of every drop that falls. In Chapter 5, the focus shifts to water harvesting. The book explains how even 1 millimeter of rain equals 10,000 liters of water per hectare. Chapter 6 is about choosing the right crops and cropping systems for rain-fed areas. Millets, pulses, oilseeds, fodder crops, all carefully matched to rainfall patterns and soil depth. Rain-fed farming is unpredictable. Chapter 7 introduces contingent crop planning, a strategy to manage aberrant weather like delayed monsoons or sudden dry spells. And finally, Chapter 8 ties it all together with watershed management. A watershed isn't about just water, it's about integrating land, soil, vegetation, and communities for sustainable productivity. This chapter provides scientific framework for resource conservation at landscape level. And here's something that makes this book stand out from the rest: the additional sections that go beyond the 8 core chapters. First, the glossary. It's not just a list of definitions, it's a ready reference that simplifies complex technical terms. For example, if you come across words like agri-silvi-pastoral system, anti-transparence, or absolute humidity, you don't need to check multiple books or the internet. Everything is explained clearly right here in one place. This makes it incredibly student-friendly, especially when preparing for exams. Second, the book includes frequently asked questions related to dryland and rain-fed agriculture. These frequently asked questions are based on the most common doubts students and researchers face. They are short, practical, and directly exam-oriented, helping learners bridge the gap between theory and application. And third, something every student will love: objective questions with answer keys. Instead of flipping different guides, this section gives you MCQs directly related to the subject matter. It's perfect for quick revision, self-testing and gaining confidence before exams. Together, these extra sections transform this book into more than just a textbook. It's a perfect learning toolkit for students, researchers, and even competitive exam aspirants. So, after walking through all the 8 chapters and additional features, you can see why textbook of Rainfed Agriculture and Watershed Management by Professor P.L. Maliwal is so valuable. It's concise yet comprehensive. It blends theory with practical strategies. It gives students the tools they need to practice, revise and succeed. For farmers and researchers, it offers practical approach like water and soil conservation, crop planning, drought management and watershed development, issues that are central to India's food security. If you are an agriculture student or someone who is passionate about sustainable farming, this book is an investment in your learning and your future. You can get your copy from Scientific Publishers. And before you leave, make sure you subscribe Scientific Publishers YouTube channel and follow us on social media. In this way, you'll stay updated on our book reviews, exam preparation tips and academic resources. Remember, every drop of rain counts. The way we manage it today will shape the future of Indian agriculture. This was Anushka Rathi. Thank you for joining. See you in the next video.